Hello, St. Paul's. It is Friday, September 4th, and this is an update on what is happening in the life and ministry and work of St. Paul's. This coming Sunday, we will be finishing up our series on the Psalms, looking at Psalm 150 and looking at why we worship. This Sunday will also be communion. We will celebrate as we have in the past. So in your homes, in your places, I would invite you to get juice ready and or wine and some bread so that you can participate in the sacrament together. So be ready for that on Sunday. The service is at 10:30, as it has been for several months now, and it is streamed online. You can get the link on our homepage at stpaulsottawa.com. Link there also for youth ministry and children's ministry too, and a variety of other ministries that are ongoing. The biggest thing that has been happening around here, at least in my life in the last little while, is getting ready for our proposed reopening of the church building for worship on Sunday, October the 4th. We are working on policies and procedures, and I know that that sounds dull, but all of this is important so that we are able to do our reopening well, so that people who are serving know and understand what they need to do, how they need to do it, and why we are doing this. So we're looking forward to being able to get everything set and everything ready to begin welcoming you back to the church on October the 4th. What we will be doing is asking everybody who wants to attend to register in advance. You can register online when the time comes. We're still working on that system. Or you can register by phone and your name will be input. The numbers that we can have in the church building, there's a little bit of flux in that because it depends on whether a single person is coming or a couple or a family, and each of those take up a different amount of space, but we only have a fixed number of spaces available to us. So again, there will be more word on this as we get closer, but we will be looking for you to register in advance, and in the registration process there will be a pre-screening for COVID-19 to ensure that you have none of the symptoms, that you have not been in contact with anyone who is COVID-19 positive, and that you haven't traveled outside of the country in 14 days. So those questions will be asked either online or when you call in to reserve a place for worship. If we have more requests than we can fit in on a Sunday, you will be put on a waiting list, and then you will get first priority for the following Sunday as well. We are going to need people who will serve on Sunday morning, people who will ensure that everyone is wearing a mask and will provide a mask to those who don't have one, to hold the door open, welcome people, somebody to do the confirmation of the COVID check to make sure those are all right, and to make sure that people sanitize their hands when they come in, and someone to point people to their places. We're not going to be able to sit in our usual places. We will need to have the people who are serving directing us to where we need to be sitting on any given Sunday. So if you are interested in helping with that, we have the serve team and we're looking to get that group together, but some of them have health issues that they are not able to be involved at this point in time. So if you are able and you are interested, I would invite you to contact the church. You can just contact the church office through the phone or through email, office@stpaulspcottawa.com, and let us know that you are ready and willing to help, and we can get you included in that, and we can get you trained up when the training happens as well. That's about it for what is going on at the moment. There will be more information on reopening. Now here's just a quick look at what Campbell Hall is looking like today. The Lord bless you and keep you.